Hello, how are y'all today? We're going to do some beginning floral design and we're going to look at how we start our design.
Here I'm doing a live floral design in a basket. First we need our live floral foam, and then we're going to put into a container. So I use this putty. You put it on the back of a container because the floral foam has been soaked for 15 minutes, so it's very wet. And you could put extra water in it so that it will stay for several days. As long as you want it, just keep adding water. Then we'll put this tape, the live floral tape, on the top. Don't put it in the middle because this is where a lot of your stems will go. You can kind of work around it if it's off to the side. And there you go, we're ready. Now we're going to be doing dried floral or silk floral. We're going to put some hot glue in the bottom, and then we put it down, and that's all you really have to do. But if you don't want to ruin the bottom of a really nice basket, then you're going to take some cloth wrapped wire and put it through the bottom. And then you're going to secure it onto the dried floral foam, which is hard foam that you never put in water. Then you want to put some grass on the top to hide the floral foam, and you use greening pins to secure that, or sometimes it stays on its own and you don't have to use them. It's up to you. Now we're ready to do it, and that's what one looks like completed. That is a silk flower design in a basket. I hope you do something nice.